Wasn't the desktop gonna be the photo that you made?
It's screwing the
Why is it not?
bits in.
There you go. You're in.
Hey Nick, it's Frank. I hope you like your new PC. So I made this short video to show a bit of how it came together. So here you go. Also, happy birthday, mate.
Done!
The thing that's RGB is... That's not RGB. That's the only RGB you got then.
There's an important bit there.
This is an important
Tiny
one.
screw.
Tiny screw.
That's,
Shaky.
That's 500 gigs right there.
Shaky.
Why are you so shaky?
Alzheimer's.
Look at it. Why would you do it? Why would you do it?
This is the screw. This is the screw that I dropped in Blake's case, and then I lifted his case, and then it hit the fan multiple times.
What?
I guess you could say she hit the fan.
Yeah, that's funny.
This is the wireless. This will give you wireless. And this is sponsored by Honey.
Honey is a free browser extension that lets you save money on. There he is.
At least we can get.
Put my finger in front of the camera.
Listen to this packaging. That does not sound very secure.
They're loose parts.
Francesco's also qualified to do this bit because he did this in the set 3.
You know, I was told to click it in.
Oh,
There it is.
there he goes.
Packaging makes it look like it's like edible because it's like got this and it's like like a chocolate bar. It's like,
No! He's in.
Scalpel.
Scalpel.
Wouldn't be funny if it didn't fit.
No, it wouldn't. That wouldn't be funny at all.
It would be funny.
Ooh!
this isn't liking a screw.
This is a screw
What's
tray.
these?
There's probably some long ones in there.
Do you want an old one?
Not really. There we go. Wireless unit. Sponsored
There
by
it
TP
is.
Link.
Sponsored by TP-Link. This
You
build
know
was
who
That
TP
is
Link is then sponsored by? Honey.
Honey. Honey free browser extension sponsored by Colgate. B450. Check them out. Link in the description.
Code
Ripping
my wife
So you better like make it so that like I'm just building it and like make it really fast and like drum and bass like.
And then I'll be like, this hard drive is made of WD-40.
Oh.
I go, and now it's unclogged. Record this.
Is your hard drive? Is your hard drive clogged? WD-40.
I already recorded this bit.
Nick, this is your old one. This is your brand new one that I have purchased.
For the PC.
What is the
Look
difference?
at the difference.
Find out.
They look the same.
Find out after these messages.
Find out after these messages. For today's sponsor.
And then play like the Mr. Beast Honey.
Those 2 clicks could save you hundreds of dollars this year and thousands of dollars over your lifetime. This is $3,000 worth of shoes.
Man, this must be like the best drum and bass montage I've ever seen. This must be the best drum and bass montage I've ever seen.
This is your stock box. Everything you need that was stock, but then I took out because of bitch, is now in stock box.
How do they end up here? You're good. It's in. He's breaking your PC.
Even breathing on me.
That's not very COVID safe of you.
Do that?
What, Eddie Damasco in space?
It is pretty funny.
He's combing his mullet. I got a shot of that, that's great.
This will give you wireless.
Now you have Wi-Fi.
Now he has Wi-Fi.
Now he has Wi-Fi. Oh! There it is, this computer so far. Oh, cringe. You'll cringe.
Yeah, first up. Go press the button.
So we turned on.
There we go. First boot, boys.
Let's move.
First boot.
Yeah.
We got it going.
No, don't worry. First boot.
First. Ooh. Magnets. Oh, look at that.
POV, you are a mirror.
POV. Mirror. There we go.